Telecommunications networks in Uzbekistan are largely based on Soviet-built infrastructure but with many modern additions, making the country one of the leading influences in the region in informational development. In 2012, the telecommunications services volume grew by 22.5% year-on-year in Uzbekistan. The amount of broadband ports installed totaled 378,000 across the country at the end of 2012, up by 55.5% year-on-year. The number of ports in active use was 202,700, up by 37.2%. A total of 1,576 kilometers of fiber optic backbone lines were deployed across the country in the same year. Telephone. There are digital exchanges in large cities and rural areas. Domestic system. The mainline telecommunications system is dilapidated and telephone density is low. The state-owned telecommunications company, Uztelecom, has used loans from the Japanese government and the China Development Bank to improve mainline services. The completion of conversion to digital exchanges was in 2010. Mobile services are growing rapidly, with the subscriber base reaching 25 million in 2011. International system. Uzbekistan is linked by fiber optic cable, a microwave radio relay with 6 member states and 2 other countries by leased connection via the Moscow International Gateway switch. After the completion of the Uzbek link to the Trans-Asia-Europe TE fiber optic cable, Uzbekistan plans to establish a fiber optic connection to Afghanistan. Radio. Uzbekistan radio stations online. Full list updated 2013. Listen all Uzbekistan AM/FM radio stations online. Currently, Uzbekistan has 4 AM stations, 12 FM stations, and 3 shortwave stations. Additionally, as of 1997, there are an estimated 10.2 million radios in use in Uzbekistan. Television. Uzbekistan has 28 television broadcast stations. This includes 1 cable rebroadcaster in Tashkent and approximately 20 stations in regional capitals. Internet. There were over 9 million Internet users in Uzbekistan as of the 19th of March 2012. According to Uzbekistan's Agency for Communications and Information, Uzachi, the Uzbek Internet is sometimes called Uznet, akin to Runet. The country code, top-level domain, for Uzbekistan is UZ. This article incorporates public domain material from the CIA World Factbook document 2012 edition.